Now I will discuss about wave and characteristics of wave. What is wave? Any disturbance which is causing the transfer of energy from one location to another location is called wave. And the motion related to the wave is called wave motion. Let me explain what is wave motion. What is wave? We know that in case of pond, we know that water travels in the wave form. Suppose this is your wave, only created by the help of disturbance. Here the energy transfer to this position through the wave. We know that this is your fish, this is your crop, this is also your fish, this is also your crop. What is fish? What is crop? The point of maximum. This is the maximum upward displacement. This is the point of maximum upward displacement, is called pitch. This is the point of maximum downward displacement, is called crop. Now I will discuss about the characteristics of wave. Characteristics of wave. Suppose take an wave. This is your wave. This is your fish. This is your also fish. This is your crop. This is another crop. Both the crops are nearest to each other. First is your wavelength. First characteristic is your wavelength, denoted by your lambda. What is wavelength? The distance between two nearest trees. That is the two nearest trees to each other. This is your said to be lambda. Or you can also take this distance is your also lambda. So we can write the distance between two nearest trees or nearest crop is called wavelength. The unit of wavelength. How can you measure the wavelength? The wavelength is measured by centimeter, that is your cm, angstrom, micrometer, like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 10⁸ angstrom. This is the first characteristics property. Characteristics of wave. Now I will discuss about another characteristics property, that is your frequency. Next is your frequency. It is denoted by nu. That is your nu. Nu. It is pronounced with nu. What is the frequency? The number of waves passing through a fixed point, in 1 second. In 1 second is called frequency. Is called frequency. Suppose take this point. Suppose take this point. One wave means one twist, one drop. This is said to be one wave. This is said to be one wave. One twist, one drop. Suppose take 1 second. And how many waves passing through this point? Suppose in 1 second, suppose 5 waves are passing through this point. That means one twist, one drop. One twist, one drop. 5 waves is passing, and the frequency of this wave is your 5 second. 5 that is your, we can consider cycle per second. The unit is your cycle per second, or hertz, or megahertz, or kilohertz. Suppose 5 waves passing, that means 5 cycles. 1 cycle means 1 wave passing through this point. Then we can write down 5 hertz or 5 CPS cycle per second. 1 CPS is equal to 1 hertz, HERTZ, or you can say -3 kilohertz, or you can also write -6 megahertz. Remember, wavelength and frequency are inversely proportional to each other. Wavelength lambda, or you can also write frequency inversely proportional to wavelength. You know that symbol of frequency is mu, proportional to 1 by lambda. Lambda is the symbol of wavelength. Next is your what? Mu is equal to c by lambda. C is the constant, and it is called the velocity of light. Your c equal to velocity of light. Next, I will see the another characteristics, that is your velocity. The distance covered by a wave in 1 second is called velocity, denoted by c. Remember one point: the velocity of the all electromagnetic wave is equal to the velocity of light, that is your p into 10 to the 10 centimeter per second. We know that mu is equal to c by lambda, so we can write c is equal to mu into lambda, and the unit of velocity is your centimeter per second, or you can write meter per second. Next, I will discuss about another characteristics property, that is your wave number. Next, I will see another characteristics property of wave, that is your wave number. It is denoted by mu bar. Suppose take 1 centimeter distance. 1 centimeter. This is your 1 centimeter distance between 2 points. How many wavelengths are present in 1 centimeter? That is your said to be wavelength. So we can write the number of wavelength in 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is called wave number. It is denoted by mu bar. Suppose this is your wave and this is the wave. And how many wave length? That means that is lambda. How many lambda are present? Suppose 2, 3 lambda are present. Then the wave number is your 3. The wave number is the inverse of wavelength. Inverse of the wave. That means we can write mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. This is your equation 1. Suppose say we know that mu is equal to c by lambda. There is your equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, if you think about this, from 1 and 2, we can find out, put this value here. That means mu is equal to c into mu bar. This is your mu bar. Nothing means c, you can write c into 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda is taken as mu bar. That means mu is equal to c into mu bar. Again, we know that mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda. The unit of lambda is equal to centimeter or meter or Armstrong, anything you like. Suppose take centimeter. That means the unit of mu bar is equal to centimeters. That means it is the inverse. That means wave number is the inverse of the wave. Next, I will see another characteristic property, that is your amplitude. Amplitude denoted by A. Take a wave. Suppose this is your wave. This is your pitch. This is your top. This is the height of the pitch. This is the depth of the top. This is your said to be amplitude. Then the definition of amplitude is the height of a pitch or depth of a drop is called amplitude. It is a one type of length, so it is measured the unit of length. So you can write the amplitude is measured with the unit of length. This is all about your wave and different types of characteristics of. Now I will do a problem related to the characteristics of wave. Calculate the frequency and wave number of a blue light having wavelength 4800 angstrom. This is your problem. Our aim to find out the frequency, that is your mu, and another is your mu bar. We know that mu is equal to c by lambda. Here lambda is given. Here lambda is 4800 angstrom. We know that 1 angstrom is equal to minus 8 centimeter. So we can write 4800 into the minus 8 centimeter. Again, we know that c is equal to minus 10 centimeter per second. Sorry, that is 3 into 10 to the 10 centimeter per second. Now put this value of c and lambda. That is 3 into 10 to the 10 centimeter per second. Divided by the value of lambda is 4800 into 10 to the minus 8 centimeter. After solving, we get into 10 to the 14, that is your second inverse. Centimeter cancel, and the answer is 6.25 into 10 to the 14 second inverse. Now find out mu bar. Mu bar, you know that mu bar is your 1 by lambda. That means 1 by 4,800 into 10 to the minus 8 centimeter. Then after solving, we find out 2.08 into 10 to the 4 centimeter inverse. Mu is equal to frequency is equal to this, and that is your